How to copy text from Instagram posts. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Instagram application and of course choose a post that you want to copy the text from. So let's just find a very long text here. So I see here, let's say this text or this post. So what you can do is if you try to long press that, you won't be able to see copy text there. So to be able to copy that is you have to take a screenshot of it. And then once it's done there, what you can do is to go to your photos. Now here on your photos, it will look like this. Now what you want to do next is to just long press it there from your photos and then just drag these where you want to copy it and then tap on copy. Now if you actually try to paste it here, tap on paste here, you have now successfully copied text from Instagram posts, and that's it. That's all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.